Good morning. I have to look to see if the little blinking dot to say it's recording, to know if I'm recording. Sorry for the terrible lighting. As usual, I'm sitting at an asphalt plant waiting to get loaded. So little Miss Ginger here is going nuts because when we stop, she thinks she needs to get out, but she doesn't need to. Oh, I still need a haircut. Man. So anyway, I was thinking the other day how things change, obviously, when you get older. Now, I have always been a very busy person. And I look back at it now, and it's because I've always had so much that I've had to do. I've just always had so much to do. So one of the changes that I noticed was, once my son moved out of the house when he was 18, which killed me. I could have cared. He could have been one of those kids that stayed at home with me till he was 50. Yes, I'm one of those. So thank God he's a mama's boy, but he's not a puss. Let me make that very clear. He's a very, I don't know the word, but he's very much man. So anyway, the things I was reflecting on and thinking about was, oh God, my phone is ringing. Well, my other phone. So I'm not going to answer it. I don't even know if you can hear it. But about always being so busy because of things I had to do. Well, now that he's out of the house, I've downsized horses. I've downsized dogs. I don't have the chores that I used to have now because I kind of travel more. So I've become minimalist, right? And then I start thinking, I'm not all that eager to go and do things. It seems like, and I'm realizing it's just not as fun doing stuff by yourself. I can and I do. I mean, if there's something I want to go do, I do go do it. But if it's meh, I don't go do it. I've become a fair weather rider, and ladies, you'll probably know this, men maybe too, I don't know. But in icky weather, of course, you have to put more clothes on, right? Every time I put more clothes on, as soon as I get ready to go out to ride, I gotta pee. So then I gotta readjust everything, go pee, blah, 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 or get out, get in the saddle, gotta get down because I gotta go pee. So there's some things that have made me a little less energetic or excited to go do that kind of stuff. So, and that was one of the reasons why I really started thinking about incorporating you guys, in some of the things that I do, because the way I work, right? Y'all know, if you followed me from the beginning, I work a lot. It's really hard to maintain friendships. Well, I have friendships, but to go and do things. We all have different schedules. So in the beginning, I created trail rides. That's how I got to go riding, and I rode with pretty much strangers. I'd advertise a ride someplace, and I'd have anywhere from 4 or 5 people to 30 people show up. I mean, it was fun, but I can't really do that now because my job situation has changed where it's seasonal. Because it's seasonal, I run all summer and then have the winter off. Well, that's why I've been leaving in the winters. But last winter kind of got cattywampus. I changed my plans. So in this winter I'm staying in North Dakota, and you can bet I ain't going to be riding this winter. But I am going to figure out a way next summer to incorporate y'all, like I said in a couple other videos. Whether I come down to an area where you live and ride, or figure out a way to get you up here, even just to go camping or sightseeing. You don't have to ride. Just to do things. I don't want to do stuff by myself. And if I'm going to make YouTube my long distance friends, right? I mean, y'all are from all over the place. It's not like you're my neighbor. So that's what I plan to do. And I hate using the word plan because obviously there's always a kink in a plan. But that's kind of what I'm going to work towards. So I'm looking at something in June and something in August, where either I can go somewhere where y'all are at, or y'all can come up here. I'd kind of rather you come up here, because in June and in August, I'm not going to go south where it's really hot. But in the cooler states, I would. So, anyway, I just was kind of wanting to chit-chat, another chit-chat, and see what you guys thought, Would you come up and hang out and go sightseeing? And there's quite a bit. Get out of my face. Oh my gosh. I let her run this morning, but she's still full of piss and vinegar, so. Oh, I don't know if you could see her. Can you see her? Oops. I don't know where the camera is. Well, she was just rolling all over. Look at you. Get your toy. Look. Oh, Alan's still calling. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I might turn you on a little bit later. Adios. Okay, sorry. One of my co-workers behind me, his CB wasn't working, and so he's trying to get that figured out. So anyway, yeah, this winter, yeah, I am going to stay here. I'm going to get into, hopefully, a little efficiency apartment. I don't want to live in my horse trailer in the winter. I could, but I don't want to do that. My plans for next summer, because I need a bigger horse trailer. Y'all know. Get out of my face. Oh, you're ornery. And I got her bark collar on, because she just, when she's so full of herself, she's got that healer yip, and we'd never get to talk. So, anyway, I'm going to try to get into a little efficiency apartment, because I need to cook better, right? Driving a truck, that's useless. And in my horse trailer, it's too rough. I put in too many hours, and basically all I want to do is get home, take a shower, and go to bed. So inadvertently during the day I eat something, and it's truck stop food. Blah, 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 blah. So next year what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little travel trailer, just a little small 21 foot travel trailer that's got the bed, the refrigerator, stove, bathroom, whatever. That's what I'm going to live in during the summer. I want my horse trailer back, because it was too hard to put everything away because I'm living in it, and then get my horse and go somewhere. And that was just too much work. It really was, trying to live it. So I'll be getting a little travel trailer and getting my horse trailer back as a horse trailer. So, anywho, I feel like a jabberjaw. So, still sitting here waiting. I don't know. This is gonna, let's see if I, whoa, sorry. I don't know if you can see, but we're sitting in line. Yeah, but it's a pretty day out. And I'm also doing research on a regular camera, Now she's killing her baby over there. So I don't have to utilize my phones. I've got 3 phones. I've got my phone that I talk on. Well, actually, I talk on the phone I'm videoing on too, but that's my North Dakota number, which Jeannie, Outdoor Adventures, Traveling, we need to figure out how to get a hold of each other, because I do have a different phone number. And a few others of you had my number too, so I got a different number. That last phone number that I had, whoever had that number must not have been a very nice person, because I'll tell you what, and I just got tired of the stuff, trying to convince them that I wasn't who they thought. Anyway, so I do have a new number. Getting my channel back to being organized, learning the editing program. I got Filmora, because I do like Filmora, and I got Filmora 9. And I'm sorry, y'all are guinea pigs, because I'm trying to do this editing and learning it. It's like, it's so time consuming. You know, you see these really, really beautifully edited videos. Y'all got to know how much time they've put into that, because you see my bad editing, and that takes forever to do bad editing. So kudos to all the YouTubers and the people learning all this stuff. Hopefully one day I'll get there. But anyway, so think about it. You want to come to North Dakota for a few days, a week maybe? You can ride in the truck with me. Maybe go camping, burn some marshmallows and hot dogs. If you want to ride a horse, you can ride one with me. Who knows? We can go metal detecting. I'm telling you, it's been hard to just go do things by myself. I just end up working, right? My son's birthday's coming up, so I'm taking a week off there, and we're going camping and hopefully riding. He hasn't been able to find anybody to trim his horse, so hopefully we'll get that squared away. So anyway, this could be, I don't even know how long this is. I'm not sure how long this is. Anyway, I will yak at you later. Y'all have a good day. Adios.